How about an import here at Unique Specialty and Classics? Just in 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL63 AMG Roadster, of course with retractable roof panels. And then best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 37,559 on the odometer at the moment. That's right, just a little over 37,000 original miles is all. 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood, 518 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque. You want to be put back in your seat, this thing will do 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. That engine's paired up with a speed shift 7-speed automatic transmission. Take a look at the black paint on this one, also in nice shape. Yeah, you might find a little imperfection on the fascia up here, right on that lower valance. It's black. You're maybe going to have a little touch up or a little where there's been just a little pebble chip. It's not bad though, don't get me wrong. Some just very minute ones, especially for black, and the car's approaching 20 years old. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. How fun would this thing be? Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area in the rear. UniqueClassicCars.com. We'll have the top up, top down in the still pictures. You can click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website if you're watching this on YouTube. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Slotted and drilled rotors. That's riding on 19-inch AMG wheels, and those Michelins, those have less than 1,000 miles on them. The service on this vehicle, well documented on the Carfax, and just recently, this thing's had the 20 and 30,000 mile service, recommended service maintenance done on it. Just recently, as in the last 500 to 1,000 miles in 2025, it had the plugs replaced, differential fluid changed, new fuel pump, all 4 brakes. The 4 tires were installed, brake fluid changed, transmission fluid flushed and changed. There's receipts in a folder that'll go along with this. And like I said, this is just done in 2025 to the tune of $17,000. So this car's ready to roll. Turn the key and go. Of course, bucket seat, center console, all your modern amenities that you're going to get on an 09 Mercedes-Benz SL63. Let's take a look at the rear. Great sounding car. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I'll also show you the top functioning, and a lucky day for Jason. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And again, you can see that black paint showing well. Again, still pictures. You'll see the car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like imports, whether it be a Mercedes, Audi, maybe like muscle cars, fast cars, high horsepower cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Look at the reflection of that paint. The car's behind me. Just looks glossy, almost like it's wet. By the way, you want to stay cool in your convertible. Let me show you this. See these fans? They'll actually blow air, like kind of on the back of your neck, upper shoulders. How's that for luxury? There's so many things on here I could never mention all the options and equipment this thing has. It does have the Harman Kardon stereo system to it. Of course, memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course, ventilated seats, fan switch, of course, power seats, and massaging, pulsing all of that good stuff. And condition, nice condition. If you're familiar with these cars, what was one of these brand new? Put it down in the comments down below this video. Love to hear from our viewers out there. And those of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you. Appreciate it. Well over 100,000 subscribers. We think that's pretty cool here at Unique. There's your exact miles. Sorry, 37,559. This thing sounds good too. Oh. All right, no service engine lights, anything like that. Fuel gauge. Of course, here's your shiftable automatic, downshift, upshift. Stereo, of course, working. Climate control. Power top switch. Dash looking good. Did not come up with any surprises on this one, except for when you probably hit the gas. It'll surprise you how fast it takes off. Look around the back so you hear this run. It's got just this menacing, deep throaty exhaust note. Subtle, but yet watch out. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Then we're going to take a peek at the engine bay. And then I'll get the tripod set up and we'll check out this convertible top. There's something pretty cool on there I want to show you too. Here's a good look at the underside of the hood. Look at how clean that is. Hood liner. You can tell this thing has not been driven in inclement weather. No doubt about that. There it is. Heck of a power plant, 6.2 liters. Remember, 518 horse. 0 to 60, 4.4 seconds. Nice and clean and tidy. By the way, it also has a new battery in it, I noticed on that receipt. So well maintained too, best of all. And there is, like I said, a folder for those miscellaneous receipts to the tune of approximately $17,000. It's ready to roll. All right, let's check out this convertible top. All right, retractable top up. As you can see, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Side glass also all rolled up now. Nice fit there. And what I wanted to show you, how cool is this? This is actually a glass retractable top. So you can see through it. It's like having a sunroof built into your retractable hardtop. Makes for some cool viewing if you're, out in a mountainous area, let's say, or where you want to look up out of it. Very open feel, even with the convertible top up. Electric defog on the rear, of course, side glass on the passenger side fitting very well, and top's in good shape and working as it should. I will show you going back into the storage area also. What a car, 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL63 AMG Roadster with that retractable top. Great service history, clean Carfax, low miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2009 Mercedes SL series, a performance edition. Now this is an automatic, so you can easily just put it in drive, or you can bump back and forth, or you can paddle shift. Plenty of performance in this car. It seems effortless for it to get up and go. Nice rumble coming out the back. It's refined yet a throaty exhaust note. The temperature is reading in Celsius, and that's reading 80 right now in Celsius. Now the miles per hour are 55. The tachometer showing about 1800 while we're cruising along at 55. Fuel gauge shows completely full. Stereo sounds good in this car.
Shallow Friday night, and it sounded pretty good, right?
I have not tested CD, but FM is working well. Comfortable bucket seats, adjustable headrest in this car, glass sunroof overhead, the steering wheel just right, just the right thickness. We've got a little groove right here if you want to hang on for a thumb area. Steering wheel controls. This car's stereo is Bluetooth ready. Brakes very smoothly. These lean heavily towards performance, but still luxurious. Corners amazingly, very flat. And there's the throttle again. Lots of fun to push the throttle. Check out all the pictures of this Mercedes at uniqueclassiccars.com.